What up? So today we got PoliceActivity, right? We got a video by PoliceActivity, man. That is something pretty sad, actually. So the title of the video is Brooklyn Park Officer Shoots Armed Man During Baby's Death Investigation. I mean, dang, did you hear the ending part? Like, yeah, the beginning part is sad, but the ending part, baby's death investigation. I mean, yeah, so pretty much I'm gonna show you what happened and then just give you like a little rundown of what's going on. So yeah, let's get into it.
It's okay, keep breathing. Relax, keep breathing. Try and stay calm, okay? Try and stay calm, keep breathing. Look, can you guys get him a cup of water?
Yeah. Get him some water.
Yeah, get him some water.
Open the door.
So that's the father, the guy who went in and is going up the stairs. That's actually the father of the baby who passed. And the guy goes in his room or goes in the room and closes the door and locks the door. So now you got a family member who also is in the house or whatever the case may be, who is like, yo, open the door, because he may have something in there. So yeah.
Open the door for me, bro.
Oronde, don't you do nothing in there.
Oh, no.
Me. Hey, bro, okay, bro, come on.
You're escalating the situation.
What you mean? He got a gun in here. I'm trying to keep him from...
No.
See, so so now it's about to get crazy. You know, now it's about to get hectic. So the cops are thinking, yo, by you just banging in there, you know, you escalating the situation, but actually he's trying to stop him from grabbing what he trying to grab. You know what I mean? He trying to grab that thing. Cause you know his baby just died. So like he, you know, like, yo, that's crazy. You know what I'm saying? He going through it. His mental ain't right. His mental is not right. So he on other type of timing. So yeah, let me just rewind it a little bit. Let me start it from the jump. You know, now that you guys got some context.
It's okay, keep breathing. Relax, keep breathing. Try and stay calm, okay? Try and stay calm, keep breathing. Look, can you guys get him a cup of water?
Yeah.
Get him some water.
Yeah, get him some water.
Open the door. Open the door for me, bro.
Oronde, don't you do nothing in there.
No.
Me. Hey, bro, okay, bro, come on.
You're escalating the situation.
What you mean? He got a gun in here. I'm trying to keep him from...
I know you're enjoying the video. I'm sorry that I had to interrupt, but I just wanted to tell you that we now have members only content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification and make sure you hit right here, join, right? We have supporter, gives you certain perks as far as emojis, badges, and stuff like that. Then we have early access, which is you have early access to the videos that will be coming up on the channel, plus whatever comes in the supporter package. And then you have VIP, which you get everything in the supporter package and in early access, but alongside members only live streams. You can join me on the live stream if you want. And we have exclusive, and I mean exclusive, members only videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you join the members only.
Hit that boy with that. Oops, I cheated again. That boy about that shit on himself. You hear me? Like, yeah, that's crazy.
No.
Sad situation. I'll have everything in the description box of what actually is going on. But the police officer who had to put them rounds in him, he was relieved of his duties for about a month, and then he got let back to work early August. So, you know, he's been cleared, good to go, whatever. As you guys can see, that the man had the thing in his hand, and luckily the family member knew what was going on. Like, you know, yo, I'm trying to stop him from, you know what I mean? So, and the guy ends up surviving and everything. So, you know, they did life-saving measures on him and stuff, and he ends up surviving. And I mean, that'll make any father go insane. You know what I mean? Your kid just passed, you know, it's like a 9-month-old baby or something like that, or it was a little baby. I'll have everything in the description box, but that'll make anybody go nuts. You know what I mean? And he had to get 3 rounds put up in him. You hear me? Nah, it ain't funny, but it's definitely sad.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.